Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need the basics set: an iPhone with iOS up to date, Bluetooth and location services enabled, and your Apple ID signed in. Once those are ready, hold the Airtag close and watch for the pairing pop-up. Tap Connect and name the item so you can identify it later. Make sure it registers under Items in the Find My app. That immediate pairing step is the foundation. If it doesn't appear, move the tag closer and retry the pairing gesture. Open Find My and tap the Items tab, then select your Airtag to see its last known or current location. If you're nearby, use Play Sound to beep the tag. If your iPhone has the U1 chip, use Precision Finding for distance and arrow guidance. Once you have a location, tap Directions to open Maps and get step-by-step routing. If the item is away, enable Notify when found so you receive an alert if another Apple device detects it and updates the location. When you've located or need to secure the item, enable Lost Mode so anyone who finds it can contact you and the system logs location updates. If the tag behaves poorly, open it and replace the CR2032 battery, then remove and re-add it to your Apple ID to reset pairing. If tracking still fails, make sure Bluetooth and location services are on, iOS is updated, and you have cell or Wi-Fi. Those fixes resolve most connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.